What's up? I charged this up again, so let's see what other kind of memories Angel Island has around here. I remember the mushrooms that used to be here, and I got collared. Yeah, so did I. You feel the same way. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. Whoa. Ugh. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Now that we've gotten back on our feet, let's just spaz out. Woo! Now you're starting to act like Tails. No offense. Nantagan. Wheat! Okay, I guess I'm gonna just flip. That's not flipping. Oh. Mushroom! I took over. Mossy grass. I saved it. You should thank me, Knuckles. Thank you. You're welcome. Wait, what's that blue thing? Surely it's not Metal Sonic. He's been defeated years ago. Yes, I know, but it's convenient. Blue like you, Sonic. What are you doing? I'm poking your head. Oh, look. Spiky tree. Spiky tree. I wanted to test how sharp they were. I think something happened to my arm. It's all flabby now. Your face is flabby. You made me angry. I want to run around. I'm back. And I'm awesome. We all know that, because you get all the credit. Tails, what are you doing? I want to find if there's any evil on here. This is a vacation. The point is there's no evil at all. There hasn't been any evil in a while. So I bet I can poot. As loud as I can. Here's the loudest scream I can do. You woke up all the dogs on Angel Island. I built this dog translator to see what they're saying. Woof, woof, woof. Get them. Let's get out of here!